Hello everyone, after a long time, welcome back to my channel. This is Nimantrata from New Jersey. I hope everyone is doing really well. So today's video is a little outdated. I mean, guilty as charged. Cherry blossom season has gone a few weeks back. I know, but due to some reason I could not upload it earlier. But here I am today with a video that will almost make you feel you're in Japan, the birthplace of Sakura, the cherry blossom tree. So today's video is an amalgamation of few places in New Jersey where we get the best cherry blossom. And yes, one of them is right next to my home. A lot of people do travel to Washington DC to witness the arrival of spring, but I could not go this time. But then I have no qualms about it because New Jersey this spring had some amazing cherry blossom throughout the state. Come, let's check it out. Cherry blossoms bloom at different times depending on the location and the variety, generally from late March to early April in Japan and also in the US. These signify new beginnings and also the arrival of spring after the harsh winter months. The cherry blossom tree in United States, particularly in Washington DC, originated as a gift of friendship from Japan in 1912, like most of us know. This was also an important time for significant cultural exchange and the establishment of the famous National Cherry Blossom Festival. These plants are known for their fleeting and beautiful display of pink and white petals. These plants that you see now are my personal favorite and is also a late bloomer. In fact, I was waiting for these to bloom. They have a very short life of only 4 to 5 days, and in those 4 to 5 days if there's a strong wind, they fall off immediately. These flowers are so delicate and short-lived, but they make my neighborhood look so beautiful. Most of the housing complexes here have these plants for beautification. We are surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of cherry blossom. And honestly, is there anything that screams spring quite like these delicate pink and white blooms? I mean, just look at this, the way the light filters through the petals. It's like being in a real life fairy tale. I wanted to take you all with me to experience this incredible display of nature. There's something so fleeting and precious about the cherry blossom season, isn't it? They're all in here in all their glory for such a short time, which makes them even more special. It's a beautiful reminder to really appreciate the present moment. Each individual flower is so delicate, almost translucent. And when you see them all together like this, it's just wow. It's a visual feast. I could honestly just stand here and stare at them all day. I've always found cherry blossom to be so calming and uplifting. There's a certain serenity that comes with being surrounded by this much natural beauty. This is New Jersey's Branch Brook Park, home to the largest collection of cherry blossom trees in the United States. Forget DC, New Jersey is where it is. You guys won't even believe photos don't do justice. It's like walking through a pink and white dream. There are over 5,300 trees here in so many different varieties, so that the colors and the shapes of the blossoms are just incredible. This park has a really cool history with these trees. Back in 1927, Caroline Bamberger Fluid donated over 2,000 cherry blossom trees, wanting Newark to have something as beautiful as what she's seen in Washington, D.C. And look what it's become, this incredible sprawling display of nature. You can see the different hues from the palest white to those gorgeous deep pink, and the air just smells so fresh and floral. It's truly a feast for the senses. And if you time your visit right, you can even catch the annual Essex County Cherry Blossom Festival. They have all sorts of events from bike races to family days and cultural performances. It's a real celebration of spring and these amazing trees. There's something so peaceful about being here. It's a little escape from the everyday hustle, whether you're strolling, having a picnic, or just taking a moment to breathe it all in. Branch Brook Park during cherry blossom season is just magical. We all know that feeling when spring finally arrives, and suddenly these incredible pink and white clouds start appearing all over. But the beauty of cherry blossoms in our neighborhood goes way beyond just looking pretty, right? For starters, just look at this. It instantly makes our street more vibrant and welcoming. Imagine coming home to this every day. It's like nature's way of giving us a big, beautiful hug after a long winter. And it's not just about the visuals. Think about how these blossoms make you feel. For me, they bring a sense of calm and happiness. Seeing them bloom is a reminder of how new beginnings and the beauty that surround us, even in our everyday lives here in Woodbridge. They also bring people together. How many times have you seen neighbors stopping to admire the trees, taking pictures, or just chatting a little longer because of this shared beauty? It creates these little moments of connection within our community. Let's not forget our little buzzing friends. These blossoms are a vital early food source for pollinators like bees, which are so important for our local ecosystem, even in our residential areas. Living here at Woodbridge, we are lucky to experience these bursts of colors every spring. It really adds to the charm and character of our neighborhoods. It makes our street feel more special and more alive. Woodbridge Township, with its beautiful parks and tree lined streets, become a real destination during cherry blossom season. People are drawn to its stunning visuals, creating a wonderful atmosphere throughout our community. You see it everywhere. People are with their cameras, families are enjoying strolls, and our local businesses often see a boost as visitors come to admire the blooms. As gorgeous as these blooms are, they are also incredibly fragile, and one strong gust of wind can unfortunately lead to a lot of this. It's a little heartbreaking to see those little perfect blooms get swept away so quickly. After waiting all year for this incredible display, a bout of windy weather can really cut the season short. You can see it here on the ground. While a light scattering of petal is beautiful, a really windy day can bring down a significant amount of blooms prematurely. It's like nature's way of reminding us just how fleeting this beauty is, sometimes even so than we expected. And it's not just about the fallen petals on the ground. Strong winds can actually damage the remaining blossom on the branch, making them less vibrant or even knocking off the entire cluster before they fully open. The significance of cherry blossoms extend beyond the nation's capital, which is Washington DC. Many other cities and towns across the US have cultivated their own beautiful cherry blossom displays, often with their own local festivals and traditions. Think about places like Portland, Oregon, or even right here in New Jersey at Branch Brook Park. These local displays also become important community events, fostering a sense of local pride and offering resident and visitors alike a chance to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of the season. So that's a little look at the cherry blossom magic we are so lucky to experience right here in Woodbridge. I hope you like this little virtual bloom viewing with me. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the cherry blossom season is. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more local springtime adventures. This is Nimantrata signing off. Bye bye.